So now we want to do some addition and with rational expressions, and the denominators are not the same. So in this case, we have a denominator of x minus 2 here and x plus 3 there. My LCD, I'll go way over here and write it, is x minus 2 times x plus 3. If we could factor the denominators, we would, but they don't need to be factored because they're linear. And so we just have a factor of x minus 2 and a factor of x plus 3. So what that means is I'm going to recopy this problem so I'll have a little room to work. And sometimes you might want to do that. So for this first one, I need to multiply by x plus 3. And I'm really multiplying it both in the top and the bottom. Now, if you didn't want to write it both in the numerator and denominator, you wouldn't have to, but I think it makes more sense to do that. And then the other one, I'm going to need to multiply the x plus 3 times x minus 2. So I also have to multiply it in the numerator. Okay. Now, how much writing do we want to do? Well, in the numerator of the first one, I would distribute the 2. So I'd have 2x plus 6 over, and then I have that denominator, x minus 2 times x plus 3. Plus, and then I'm going to distribute here in the second numerator and get 5x minus 10 over x plus 3 times x minus 2. And now I can combine the numerators because the denominators are the same. Now, you're thinking commutative property, you know, if you switched those around, it would look just like the first one. But multiplication is commutative, so we're okay. All right, so now I have a numerator of 2x plus 6 plus 5x minus 10 all over that denominator, x minus 2, x plus 3. That was the LCD. All right, now in the numerator, we're going to try to simplify. Combine like terms, 7x minus 4. Now, we have to stop and look at the problem and say, can that numerator factor? No, it's not going to factor. And is it the same as like a factor in the denominator? Like if you put parentheses around this, is there a 7x minus 4 in the denominator that you could cancel? No. And so we're done. Sometimes they simplify, sometimes they don't. It's just the way the problems are. Okay, so there's that one.